All right, let's talk notation here. This symbol here is a floor function. And the floor is, if you're at like 1.5, the floor, you just drop down to the closest integer. So the floor of 1.5, you have to drop down to 1. Now the floor of like 2.7, you have to drop down to 2. So forth and so on. All right, now this is a technique developed in the text, and let's go through that. So they got 50 factorial. That's a huge number, by the way. 50 factorial is 50 times 49, yada, 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 all the way down to the number 1. That's a lot of multiplications to do. Right, now certainly we're not suggesting you do the multiplications. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the floor function. So we're going to look at 50 divided by 2. The floor of that is 25. All right, let me put these written over here. Then it's going to be 50. The next power of 2 is going to be 4. Well, 4 goes into 50 12.5 times. So the floor there is 12. Again, I don't mind people using calculators if they need to. Now 50 divided by 8, we want the floor of that. And that goes in, let's see, 6 point something. So the floor is 6. Then we do 50 divided by 16. We want the floor of that. And that goes in like 3 point some times. So the floor is 3. We don't need to know what the point is at this point. And then 50 divided by 32, well, that goes in 1 point, whoops, sorry about that. Make it more pronounced. That goes in 1 point sometimes, so just 1, and we're done. What are we going to do? Add these numbers together. This is a nice trick to know. And what do you get? 25, 37, 43, 46, 47. All right? So 2 to the 47 is the highest power of 2 that's contained in 50 factorial. Again, this test was derived in this section of the notes. Thank you.